Today we're going to be making a volcano. Take some vinegar and pour it in the cup. Then we're going to put the blue dye in. Doesn't really matter how many drops you put. And you're just going to mix it. Then we're going to use 3 tablespoons of baking soda right here. So 1, 2, 3. So we're just going to add a bit. Okay, so now we're going to take the vinegar, the cup with the vinegar in it. I'm going to pour it on top of the baking soda and watch the explosion. So this is very. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Bye.